Live streaming. Here we go. Price is breaking down just a touch. Alrighty. What is happening? Currently, what is happening is a very large amount of volatility. And I am waiting for a clean short term gaps and pits. Let's see, 30 seconds, 1 minute. Let's see. Looking for my gap indicator here. Just want to know if there are any unfilled gaps above. There are. And I wonder why this isn't here. This gap isn't printing on the 1 minute. Let's just see. All right. Yeah. And 5 and draw it manually. Get this gap drawn here. Just looking for a possible area for price to reverse. Gap. Blue. And 15 seconds. Get us to where we need to be here. All right, we have a contraction to start the day. Like this contraction line there. All right, so contraction even tighter here. A contraction within a contraction. So we're breaking out the top of the baby contraction. Let's see if it wants to down to the bottom of the baby contraction, and then go start some expansion activity here. We're holding above and pushing away from initial imbalance. So, does that tell us? We might be getting a second leg up. Measured move from, let's see, AB equals CD, AB equals C. D is lining up with our gap nicely. All right, let's see the reaction to taking this liquidity. If this initial push up is a Judas, we're gonna get a pretty likely to these lows if it's legit. Might be worth taking a long on the inside up bar off the bottom of this channel. Somewhere around here. No trigger, no trade, rule number 1. Let's see, I got one contract pulled up right contract. Everything's set up to go. No execution mistakes today. All right, we're breaking down. This was a clean reversal signal here. was here. Interesting. So we got break up, break down, doesn't want to push back up. Here we're getting to the let's just for fun, let's draw this on the 5 minute. It's a 5 minute inefficiency here. 5 minute. Would have. I can't really say. This looks pretty healthy actually. 50% of this level is that. Got that drawn up already, so. Would like to see probably price reverse here. Yep. Push up to this 50%. Tap the 20 period. Attempting to sell here. Attempting to sell here. A little too close to the open. Attempting to sell here. Expecting price to return to this moving average and to the 20 period. Inefficiency on the 5 minute. However, if we're very bullish today, this could be a breakaway gap. And we broke higher, and then we broke lower here. Contraction within a contraction. So we could be looking to take this high before coming back down here. That is a clean reversal here. Very, very, very tight risk. Too tight. This tight, the probabilities greatly reduce. Alright, we're pushing back out at initial imbalance. Let's go ahead and take that off. We don't need to be looking at that. Alright, we already saw price did that. Let's see if price wants to do this. Can't hurt to have this up there. Alright, nice bear flag here. And what is the strategy? Long from bottom of initial imbalance. Inside of this 5 minute imbalance. And off of the 20 SMA is the strongest setup that I'm seeing here. However, price is acting a little strong. Price held the initial imbalance respected this pretty well. Alright, let's see here. Too many lines, not necessary. Inside down close bar. Not sure what to call this model. Is it an A++? Tempted to sell this.
Order filled.
Okay.
Modification rejected. Order cancelled.
Alright, that was an inside down closed bar. Liquidity sweep. Had a feeling we wanted to return to this area a little bit early, literally about 10 seconds early. Part of the game, no big deal. Let's keep it moving here. reset is let's see, initial imbalance. Let's get 50% of this swing. Pretty strong pushback from this top. Let's see how we treat this. No trigger, no trade. Almost to the tick.
Order filled.
I'm gonna play this because it's almost to the tick. 50% of this leg, playing for another leg down. Clean trigger bar, short. 50% trades down. Target is lining up with the bottom of this channel and the top of initial imbalance. Again, I don't mind price coming back down to this SMA and the initial imbalance that I'm seeing here. So I like this trade, whether it wins or loses. I'm okay with this entry. Let's see if I take 2 losses as a seller. I'll have to be really careful before I try to sell again. If price isn't wanting to respect the short triggers, then it just might be too strong, and I probably want to be a buyer all day. Very tempting highs above here. Definitely won't try to take at some point today. Gonna resist the urge to go break even. Price had pushed in my favor.
Order cancelled.
All right. Gotta practice not going break even. Price barely touched this low and then took off. So we're definitely bullish, if you couldn't already tell. So selling here doesn't work. So close to catching this trade. I like entry, and you never know. Do I like it as a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio? Probably want to put it a little bit more in my favor because it's a lower probability considering we're bullish. So lower probability, you need to get a higher reward to cover the more frequent losses. Let's see, so bearish signals are fan. That means bullish signals should play out. Gonna resist the urge to be a seller until we get to this gap level, which is in my plan. Clean shorts from gaps and pivots. Let's see, move the plan